first of all, good afternoon. How are you? How was your morning?
Yes, ma'am, I'm fine. Good afternoon to you too. And the morning was absolutely good because these days we are going for morning walk. And today I
Okay.
got up at like 4:50, and
Okay.
then I got ready for morning walk, and with my one of my brother's daughter, she also goes with me. So we both went for morning walk, and I came back at like 5:40, and then I brushed my teeth and took tea. And I teach students, so my students come at 7 o'clock, and then I taught them for 1.5 hours. After teaching, I had breakfast, and then I went to the rooftop. Then I went with some books, and I studied there for some times. And after that, I took bath, and then I worshipped Lord Krishna, and I sit to read books, and then right now I'm here. I'm talking with you. So how was your morning today?
It was too good. You know that now weather is too cold.
Yes, yes, it's
Uh,
cold.
it is not sunny. We cannot see sun. It is
Right, right.
cloudy. Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes. Because January is going on. So how can we that see that sun?
Yes, yes,
Sometimes
yes.
it happens that sun rises, and sometimes it happens that weather is too cloudy.
Yes, yes. So how is your
Yes. And
daughter?
some
How is your daughter? Is she well?
she is good and fit as a fiddle. Now she is playing. I
Okay,
thought that,
okay.
and now I am sitting on roof. So I thought I one session should take on roof. I will check sound. Sometimes if we are talking in room, so sometimes sound. Yes, right. Yes, echo. Yes.
Yes, yes.
In sometime I am checking that how will we record the in roof. There will go here and there. It will not echo. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So
So I
how did
thought
you?
I should take
Yeah. So how did you
what?
spend? What did you do on 1st January this
Okay,
year?
that January I went restaurant. So I
Okay.
thought, we should do something that is some. Yes, it
Yes.
was too cold. So I enjoyed it. And I decided that now I will become fluent in this year, and I will do work on my vocabulary because my vocabulary is not good.
Okay, okay. So are you reading any kind of books for building your good vocabulary?
Nowadays, I am not reading any books because I'm not getting more time.
Okay.
Yes, for reading, we should, that peaceful place that should be. There should be not like a maker making anyone is making noise. We cannot read in that.
Yeah,
That
that's
time.
true.
And
Yes.
I think that I will read that in night whenever I will get time. But my daughter, she doesn't sleep. She
Yes,
sleeps
yes.
she sleeps at 12 o'clock, sometime at 1 o'clock. I wait. I get sometime, very angry.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. It's
We
really
have to face
difficult.
problem.
Yeah,
Yes,
absolutely,
yes.
absolutely. I can
But I
understand that.
practice for speaking and listening. Both practice I'm doing because speaking is very important. It is like if we are making one conversation, it is enough in a day. But it should be daily.
Yes, yes. So how many sessions are you
Yes.
taking in a day, every day? How many sessions?
I'm taking only one session in a day because at that time, in winter we face the one problem that days are very small. If we do
Absolutely.
house chores and all work, so that it goes very fast.
So what time usually wake up in the morning?
I wake up sometime, nowadays I'm not wake up in like early because of my daughter. She sleeps at 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and in night 3 or 2 times she wakes up in
Okay,
night as
okay.
well. So I wake up sometime 8 o'clock. Yes,
Oh,
in morning.
and that
Because
is why
if
you
we are not taking proper sleep, so we feel very bad. We
absolutely.
cannot live healthy. Yes.
No, we
And
human beings, we need 8 hours sleep for every human beings if
yes, yes.
necessary.
But I do not sleep in daytime. Some people I have seen, if there is winter, they have done house chores and they take a nap.
Yes, yes,
But
some people do
I
that.
don't have that much time. Yes,
I
because we
also
have to
don't
edit videos.
take, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, it
I
is
also
very
don't take
necessary.
nap. I also don't take nap in the afternoon.
Yes, if we are like taking a nap, who will edit our video? Who will make conversation like this? Yes, it takes a lot of time.
Yes,
It
absolutely.
is, yes, it is our responsibility. We have to do that if we want to do.
Yes, I have seen, and you can do a proper editing. You are good at editing. You can do that, but I can do. I am not good that much at editing, so I can't do that,
You know,
and
in
I don't get
in
time.
starting, I was also not aware that how to edit videos, how to upload, how to keep that tag should be used or not. In starting, I was not aware, but gradually I saw to others. I watched some videos, so I got now. I keep tags, description. I also fill. We can write about that video in description, and we can write whatever we keep title. So we have to copy that and we have to paste in description first.
Okay, okay,
After that, we can write about what we discussed.
okay.
Yes, if you will watch this video, you will get that benefit and this much. We can write. After that, we can keep tag, hashtag, what we call that.
Yes,
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 yes. And their downside, we have to write about tags also. If we upload before uploading, yes.
yes,
There
yes.
also we write that you can learn how to learn English speaking. This type we can write about learning. So it is
Okay.
very necessary. And some people I have seen they upload just they have made video and they just upload. They do not fill description.
I also doing the same thing, and still I do. And you,
Yes,
so you
yes,
send me email that you should you should do hashtags. But then I got to know, yeah, I have to do this.
yes. Some people they don't aware about that.
Yes,
In
yes.
starting, we also like that. If someone will not tell us, we will not get any knowledge. So how can we do?
Learn. Yes, yes.
Yes. So
That's true.
gradually we learn everything. In
Yes.
starting, we are like that we don't have that how in editing, in video editing, I was not aware how to edit, but my husband taught that how to edit video.
Okay, okay. And then you
Whenever
learned
that
everything.
he is not free, yes, he is not free, that I can do editing.
Okay.
Now I learned I
That's
can do by myself. I do not take do my editing. Now I can do. Thumbnail also I can make.
and I have seen you have made a very good thumbnail. I have seen in your videos that.
Yes, now in starting he was making my thumbnail, so I thought that I should try that how to make thumbnail. So I learned gradually. If
And
we are suppose we are doing anything like speaking now, after that 1 year we will see changes. It is happening with everything.
yes, yes. And when
Yes,
someone
yes,
wants to learn something, definitely they can learn. If we don't
yes,
want to
yes,
learn, then how will we learn? If I want to learn something,
yes,
definitely I will
yes,
be able to learn that.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, so are you not making solo videos?
No, no, I'm not making.
So it is, I am also thinking that solo videos is also good. People also watch it. That if suppose we don't have any partner for making
Yes,
conversation, that time we can make solo videos. It is also, and first we can write that content on which content we
absolutely.
are going to speak. Yes, we are on which content we can tell like that when do we use connective and this type proposition and this type we can make. It is a good I thought. In starting sometime I made, but now I'm not making. But I will try. Solo videos are also good. That suppose now our practice will be running, and then in that we can get more time
Yes, yes.
for practicing. How so? Suppose you have written any content, you will practice for speaking 2 or 3 times first. Yes,
Absolutely. That's true.
and then
Yes.
you will make video in that.
Yes. And
Yes,
in
and you will
one-on-one
check your mistake
conversation,
as well.
absolutely. But in one-on-one conversation, you have to think instant and you have to answer
Yes,
instantly.
yes,
So
yes.
that is the
And in
problem.
that, if suppose you have taken 2 or 3 vocabulary, so in that you will speak 4 or 5 times. So you can remember.
Yes.
Yes, if you are repeating any word, if you are repeating one time, you will not remember.
No.
If you are repeating that word again and again, that you can remember that.
Absolutely.
Yes, yes. And there should be, our content should be good, that people should, if we suppose they are, I am going to make video about how can we become fluent. Yes. So
Mhm.
about that, we have to make solo videos. So we have to prepare first, and we should watch others' videos, which type
Absolutely.
content they are giving. So we have to try to give better than that.
Absolutely.
Then
And
people will like to watch us.
absolutely. When your content is good, people are definitely going to watch. And if people get benefits from your content, then they will watch
Yes,
your
yes,
videos, and they will also get
yes,
some
yes,
benefits from their videos. So they will watch it.
yes. Yes, if they are not getting benefit, they will not watch.
Watch
Yes,
absolutely.
nowadays, when I started my journey, there were not too much housewife. They were making conversation videos, but now you can see
A lot
there are
of
many YouTube channels of making conversation. So if they are, day by day, it is increasing competition. So you will not get views more than before you were getting more, but you will get now less.
yes.
Yes, because people, there are many people. They are making like your. They are giving better than us as well.
Yes, that's
Yes,
true. Yes, yes.
yes.
I
So
have seen
I also
nowadays a lot of YouTubers are there, and I believe that when your content is better, then you shouldn't worry about that. How many people are there? How many people are making videos?
yes,
When you
yes.
will be able to make good content, good videos, people definitely will watch. You
You know,
shouldn't lose
nowadays,
that motivation.
nowadays, what is happening? Who is getting famous early? That is doing something different.
Yes, absolutely, that's true.
That thing is not on YouTube, on anywhere that you are giving, so you can get famous in 1 month.
Absolutely.
Yes. So it is like that. Now a competition is running in every field. Suppose you are going to make a cooking videos. So they are
Mhm.
already famous people. They will like to watch, not they will not like to watch your videos. First they will watch famous people's videos.
Absolutely.
Yes,
That's true.
it is happening. Yes. If suppose they are teacher are also there. English teacher, every math teacher, every teacher there.
Yes. But this one
Yes.
is a little bit new. This one is a little bit new. This one just has started. People are making conversation. This one is, I can say,
Yes,
is
yes, it is
trending.
a new.
It
Yes,
was
yes,
not
yes. And
before
in
on
starting,
YouTube.
yes, in the starting, I was getting good views because there were not more people. They were making conversation. Yes,
Yes.
but
Nowadays,
now
how is
you
your
can see
channel going?
it is going good. Not, I cannot say too much good.
Okay.
Yes, but it is okay, okay, only just.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, I got monetization.
How many
Yes,
months
and in
ago?
that, I completed only 6 or 7 days
It got
before.
monetized.
Yes,
Okay.
and we have to in that when we can get money if we complete $100, we
Yes,
have to
yes.
complete $100. So it is showing that we have to complete like a
After
you can take
uh,
like a that. like we have to complete subscriber, watch time. It is like this type process.
Yes, and after
Yes.
completing $100, you will get Google AdSense and something like that. Then
Yes,
you
yes,
have
it is like that. I am not aware about that now. It is
yes. So
like that.
how much?
And you know, Pooja
What's
Sani. Have you seen that Pooja Sani? That has channel, but someone hacked her channel,
oh my God.
and you know she had 900 subscriber, and her channel was going to monetize, but someone hacked her channel and deleted all videos.
Oh my God. How
She
can it
cannot get
happen?
monetized now because you know in monetization people check YouTuber check that if popular video
Mhm.
and all videos they check if they are not views and everything, so how can, and watch time will be also not there if all videos are deleted. Only
Yes, yes.
subscriber are there.
Okay, okay. So how it
So
got hacked? Something,
I
some
also not
hackers
aware
did
about
that.
that. Yes,
Okay, okay.
she was saying in video that someone did that. I don't know who did. She was too crying. You know, she did hard work. That's why. A lot. We are
Absolutely,
doing hard work. Okay, how much
absolutely.
minutes are done?
17 minutes, ma'am. 17 minutes.
It is enough for one video. Yes. Second, we are going to. Okay. Okay. Bye
Okay,
bye. It was a nice conversation.
okay.